Hey there, and welcome back to the video series. So in the previous video, we set up stuff about NodeMon. We instructed it how to look for files, how it will watch different files, and we created this NodeMon config here. So now it's time to start the TypeScript setup, because TypeScript also needs a configuration file to work properly. So we can run tsc init, and this will create a new tsconfig.json file with some default settings. And now we can see we got this tsconfig. We have a lot of settings here, and you can find explanations to them on the TypeScript website if you want to, and there are also some in VS Code here. To keep the video a bit short here and to not run into a long video, I'm just going to put in the settings we need. The same, and I know there are no comments for this, but if you hover over with the mouse, you can see the VS Code will be pretty good at helping you out with explaining what this setting is for. So I'm going to explain some selected settings that we need for the project. We can see we're actually allowing JavaScript in the project. If we have JavaScript files, it's going to be okay. It's not going to be rejected, and this can be switched off if you want to. The target JavaScript we're compiling to or transpiling to. Then we also have the output directory. It's called dist. So there's going to be a new directory when we run the compiler, which is actually a transpiler because it's transpiled from TypeScript to JavaScript. And then some settings regarding casings and file names, implicit any, and then we set the folder to where TypeScript should look in and transpile it. So that's the source folder that we will be creating in the next videos. And we're excluding some directories as well for the node modules, as we talked about also in the NodeMon. Okay, so that is pretty much it for the TypeScript compiler. So we got the tsconfig, we have set up NodeMon. In the next video, we will try to create the first steps of starting the server for this API. So hope you make this work and have fun with this. Bye-bye.